How are you? I have been pretty good lately. Just working on things for you so you don't have to do research on what to do with your kids or students. So today we're going to be discussing the letter L. Sorry, think about it for a second. I did a few today. Anyways, so let's get started and let's see the things I found for you guys. All right, floating box, and animals. Ta-da. All right, so we have our animals, and then more animals, and then the start of our books, more books. But these are classic, especially llama llama. Blah, 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 blah. I can't talk. Llama llama red pajama. I love it. And their crafts. Of course, we have the Lorax and delicious food. Well, hopefully delicious. Again, I didn't try all these because that would be a lot of shopping, and I don't even know if I could find some of this stuff. But if you try something that is new to you, do the little stitchy thing and show me what you did. Okay, then we have our places, laundromat, library, lodge, lunchroom, then our recipes. And again, this is in a PDF down below. And if there's any trouble downloading it or uploading it, I don't know what to do with it. But if you can't access it, let me know. I'm still learning all this stuff. And then we have our songs and shapes. And that's it for today. So thanks for coming back. I appreciate it every time you guys come. Please like and share and repost and do all the thingies so I can get some more viewership. I very much appreciate it. And oh, don't forget, go to go to Amazon. I don't have a website yet, but soon, and buy my books. And you find lots of materials, flashcards, worksheets, pronunciation sentences, all kinds of stuff. So have fun, keep learning, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.